Come on. Ah, puppy dogs. Puppy dogs. Puppies. This is October 29th, 2009. And as you can see, these are my boots. Buried like hell in snow. And this would be the open area of my place. As you can see, you could barely see the fence. It's my neighbor's cars. Got about 3.5 feet snow drifts. You can see there's my shoes. And my doggies playing in the snow, having fun. Holy shit, look at this. Yeah. Where are my legs right now?
Careful over there, there's a couple puppy holes.
Oh. You having too much fun, you two? Huh? Honey, look at me. There's the roof, everybody, so you can see that. Looks like it's about to slide off. Y'all having fun? Girls. Okay, as you can see here, that's my foot buried in this shit, up to my knees. Now, I'm gonna try to get the fuck out of this hole, so hold on a sec here. Hey girls, say hi. Help! 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 Holy shit. Y'all having too much fun? Okay, now it's time for Daddy to go to the front. Here's Jet trying to fix our door. Oh, there's my grill. It's a little igloo. And here's some more bullshit right here, so... Oh, hello. Honey, I gotta get through here.
Door track here.
Don't matter. Let's see. Ooh, beer! It was up to my knees.
Okay, goofy girls, are you ready to come in?
They're having fun playing. Okay. Oh, I might, in case I put this on YouTube, you probably want to see who I am. Hi! Anyway. Let's take a little journey. It's a fucking great day for drinking. There you go. This bud's for you. Now,
Puppy, sleep
we're gonna go out front and you're gonna check out the front of the house. Here's my house. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hold on.
Alright, Princess, get your chubby butt in here.
Hey, fat dog, get your ass in here. Okay. Let's take a look. Grab a cigarette. Probably post this on YouTube.
Yeah.
Going out front. As soon as I get this fucking thing unlocked. Okay. Alright, folks, here we are. Here's my frozen happy pumpkins. This one's real good though. See? Isn't that neat? And there's my scary face one. My other one. They're all frozen. And this would be the front of my house. Here's my truck. You see it's just slightly buried. Oops, sorry, I was fucking with the zoom. The neighborhood. And as you can see, it's snowing again. There we go. My poor little ghosties. They're buried. Here's my house. And there's my pickup again. His name's Ivan, by the way. But Ivan is just slightly frozen. We cleaned off the driveway. This is the front of my house. My little pumpkins. There's a panty at the doorway. It's my pretty husky. Hi, beautiful. Those are my little Halloween lights. I don't have them on right now, but they light up. They're little LED lights. Here's off the side where my backyard is. Yeah. You can hardly see the fence. My neighbor's car is buried. Aw, and there's my pretty puppy. Hi, pretty. Hey, Bandy. There's my other one. Who the hell's calling?
Somebody named Maria Enriquez.
Oh, it's Joe. Hello? Oh, shit. Accidentally hung up on him. Whoops. Hello? Oh, fuck. That's why I call him Maria. Oh, okay. That didn't go so good.
Drop the phone again.
Well, it's a little difficult with these fucking gloves on.